Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan and this is your JIS News for Monday, June 2, 2025. 43 individuals and groups from a list of over 100 nominees were recognized for their outstanding contribution to Jamaica on Saturday at the 2024 Prime Minister's National Youth Awards for Excellence. Held on the lawns of Jamaica House, the ceremony awarded young people in a range of categories, including academics, agriculture, arts and culture, entrepreneurship, environmental protection, innovation in science and technology, journalism, new media, volunteerism, national leadership, sports and youth development.
These young leaders, innovators, athletes, entrepreneurs, and change makers, every category right across the board, exemplify the very best of Jamaica. They remind us about the potential of our young people and that the future of our nation is in capable hands.
While hailing the awardees, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness commended young people across Jamaica who are making notable moves within their parishes and communities.
Tonight, we celebrate over 43 exceptional young Jamaicans, but we salute all the youth of Jamaica in every parish and every community who are working hard, lifting others, and striving for excellence. Whether or not you stand on this stage tonight, you are all winners. Every Jamaican youth is a star winner and a...
The Prime Minister's Special Award for Excellence was presented to the Clayton twins, Tia and Tina, for their exceptional achievements in track and field. Minister of Education, Skills, Youth and Information Senator Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon welcomed the new award categories of TVET and Special Abilities, which were added at her recommendation.
As a matter of policy and pride of place, we are elevating the image of skills training in Jamaica, and HEART is leading the way. Real support to the special abilities community requires real action. And it is for that reason that I recommended to the Prime Minister the addition of a new category to celebrate members of the special needs community. Or Jamaicans with special abilities are worthy of the Prime Minister's Youth Awards for Excellence too.
Christina Kelly received the award for Special Abilities, with Dion Roy Mitchell and Adrian Shackelford awarded for TVET. The construction phase of the Western Parish's Water Supply and Resilience Program is set to begin within 3 weeks. The announcement was made by the Minister with responsibility for water, Matthew Samuda, during his sectoral debate presentation last week. The 3-year project will come at a cost of $350 million. Phase 1, set to cost $169 million, has been brought forward due to the drought that affected Western Jamaica disproportionately in February of last year. This phase of the project involves the upgrading of 28 kilometers of transmission main from St. James to Trelawney and 37.5 kilometers from Lucy to Negril.
This project will benefit over 250,000 business and residential customers, while facilitating major developments in the tourism and residential, commercial and development sectors. This is not something to come, it is something that we expect to break ground on in the middle of June.
Meanwhile, the government will be taking a serious look at extending the National Water Commission's amnesty to members of the small and micro business sector. Minister Matthew Samuda made the announcement during his recent sectoral presentation.
We are going to conclude this for the pensioners and path beneficiaries first, and then we will make an announcement very soon for our small and micro business sector.
The amnesty, which ended on May 31, provided relief to eligible customers with outstanding balances, allowing for a 50% write-off of their debt and a waiver of reconnection fees. Up to May 16, more than 34,000 customers had engaged the process, with 7,901 being reconnected. This yielded over $547 million in revenue for the NWC, monies, the minister points out, that would not have been collected otherwise. In total, the NWC has written off over $1.4 billion in debt from those who most need it, restoring water supply and dignity to their households. The Ministry of Agriculture has welcomed a $50 million investment from Tropical Sugar Company Limited, TSCL, to help restore Jamaica's once thriving sugar industry. The funds will be used to construct a new sugar factory and refinery in South Clarendon. Portfolio Minister Floyd Green says the initiative is a significant step in revitalizing sugar production across the island.
They have already leased 12,500 acres of land, with 27 acres dedicated to the construction of a new sugar factory and refinery. This is a significant step to bring the much-needed revitalization of the sugar industry.
Construction is set to begin in July of 2025 and is expected to create 300 direct jobs that will provide an economic boost to communities in and around South Clarendon. The government plans to increase its investment in homeless care with an additional $100 million earmarked for the Poor Relief Program. While making his sectoral presentation recently, Minister of Local Government and Community Development Desmond McKenzie revealed that the allocation would move from $150 million to $250 million in the 2025-2026 fiscal year.
We are building more drop-in centers. More homeless centers. We're increasing the amount of allocation for feeding of people on the streets, Madam Speaker. We'll be working to ensure the reach and effectiveness of our responsibility to the outdoor poor. They have a range of needs, from rental assistance to medical services.
He also revealed that another $20 million will be invested to boost educational standards for children from registered poor households.
The reason why we have to make these investments to ensure that the poor have an appreciation that there's a government that cares, Madam Speaker.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.